Okay, welcome to a new episode of Nate's Corner, the show about anything and everything but MMA, which is reserved for my Nate's MMA Corner show. So, today's episode is an episode about HDMI cables. Yeah, I thought I would tell you guys, give you a little bit of rundown about HDMI cables. Some of you already know this, some of you may not. And yeah, because I just got these HDMI cables here. They're 2.0 B certified, and yeah, let me open them up. Let's see how to get this open. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So yeah, this is a 6.5 foot long HDMI cable. It's 2.0 B certified. Now you may be asking yourself, well, what's the difference between this and another HDMI cable? Well, nowadays, yeah, if you buy an HDMI cable in the store, it's going to be more than likely 2.0 A or B certified, 99% chance. Now, if you, let's say you bought a high definition TV 10 years ago, and you're like, oh, I'm going to buy an HDMI cable for that. It's probably not it's definitely not 2.0 certified, because 2.0 didn't come out 10 years ago. I got a little chart here from Wikipedia that shows the difference, and here in this box here is all the stuff that's covered with HDMI 1.4 compliant, and pretty much, yeah, it covers Blu-ray, your standard 1080p, well, and your DVD audio and your super audio and 3D and whatnot. But then if you look on this chart right here, this is the second to last chart. This is the 2.0 certification, and it supports, yeah, 4 audio streams, 32 audio channels, your basic HDR, 4K resolution at 30 hertz and 60 hertz. So if you own a 4K TV, then you're going to want to make sure it's 2.0 certified, so it covers the 4K resolution. And then if you're like me and you want the surround sound, and I'm gonna eventually upgrade one day my surround sound to an Atmos setup and DTS:X setup. So I'm going to want to make sure it's 2.0 certified, so I can get the up to 32 channels of audio. I plan on going with a 7.2.4 Atmos setup, Atmos and X setup, and yeah, it's yeah, it'll give you better color, better higher resolution with the 2.0. And yeah, you know, these cables, I'm not being sponsored or endorsed by these guys or anything like that, but yeah, these cables you can buy for like $7 on Amazon, and then like $3-4 for shipping. If you were to buy them in stores, they'll be like $20, $30, $40, $50 for like a 3-foot cable, or depending on the quality of the cable. And there's a lot of mumbo jumbo that goes into the quality of the cable, and don't buy into the hype unless you really want the cable that bad. But nonetheless, yeah, this type of cable is awesome to have. And if you have just a regular HD TV and a regular Blu-ray player, but you know you're going to upgrade at some point, and yeah, you may want to just go ahead and buy the cables, and then they're backwards compatible with older devices, and then that way when you buy the new devices, you don't have to get new cables, you can just plug them in. So yeah, there's my little rant about you know, HDMI cables. And then yeah, there's 2.1 certification, which is either out or going to come out soon, and that supports 4K resolution at 120 hertz, which is like barely there in the market. And your standard 4K TV probably won't really take full advantage of that. And then 8K resolution at 120 hertz and 10K resolution at 120 hertz. And there's no 8K TVs and 10K TVs on the market, the basic consumer market right now. So yeah, basically a 2.0 certification. 2.0B will cover everything that's out right now. So yeah, there you have it. And stay tuned for my coming episode, which it's kind of another episode that ties into this. So stay tuned and you'll see. And until then, see ya.